Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a winch. So let's open this up and I'll show you guys what it is. Here it is. Here it says it's the instruction book for the ATV winch. We have I guess it's going to probably be the mounting plate for it. We have the remote for it here, the buttons. Lots of pieces and parts, I guess. Put those all over here to the side. And here it is. That's what it looks like there. Oops. This is it. So, man, this is heavy. So this will have to mount onto something. There's the little mounting screws, so it'll mount on, and then that's how it'll work. So all these different wires and stuff, we'll have to figure all this stuff out here. So I'll figure it out and connect it up to something and show you guys how it works. Hey, just showing you guys a little brief update on what we did here. I mounted this to a trailer hitch one. The one it came with was this plate here, but I wanted to connect it to my trailer hitch, so that's why this has this square thing on it. Then everything gets wired up into this here, and it's super easy because look, they put colored tips on the end, so you know yellow goes to yellow, red, obviously all the different colors go to the colors. So there you go, that, and then we've got the switch here, the up down on it, and it'll mount up to my bicycle handlebars or whatever, and then we have the remote contraption here, and then there's the remote. So next step will be in use. Okay everyone, so now we've got it kind of hooked up on the back here. I'm just currently temporarily just connected up to a battery out here, just because I don't have it, I'm not wired in yet, but I mean, I guess I could hook it up to something else, but we'll just give it a go. And you can see this needs to be mounted, and then the little remote device needs to be mounted, and then the up down or the in out like one does too. You can see, here we go, we push out, gives us the cable, and then we can go back in again, and it's gonna pull me because this guy does 4,500 pounds and I don't weigh anywhere near that amount. But you get the concept, and it's got the nice grappling hook thingy here where you can, not grappling hook, but there's a hook, but the carabiner kind of hook, and it'll connect up. And so how cool is that? So now, and I got it connected up with one of those little trailer hitch things, so you can connect up to anything. So how sweet. So now I can pull this all the way out, and you see the first part of it has the cover on it here, and then once we get past that, we have our very strong rope on there too for it. So really cool. And then we've got our thing, so we'll be able to pull anything 4,500 pounds worth out of it. So pretty sweet. And then I can go back in again. Oh. Well, I'm hooked up to this battery, that's not so great, but the concept is there and it's awesome. So I'm gonna say this is a really great little hitch here, and it has the remote as well, which I think is gonna need a battery. So you can use it either that way or with the switch that's connected. So super cool, thumbs up.